Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on a home button on your iPhone. And as you can see, all I have to do is press this and I can go back to the home screen. Or I have access to a Siri custom notification center device or the control center. And then you can see I have more options under here. So you can move this around too. So you can place it like right on the bottom if you want, but usually I just put it off to the right. Now to get this, go to settings. Select settings and we can go back, and this will just be under the accessibility settings. So let's go to this, scroll line down, accessibilities, scroll line down to touch, then go to assistive touch on. So we can just turn this on, and then we got custom actions under here too if we want to change this around. We got single tap, double tap, long press, and now you can see this is on my screen. If you want to make it more visible, you can just up this to 100 and you can see it right there. I usually just keep it around 50, that's fine. And then you can always show it. Otherwise you can go to pointer devices, sounds on click, etc. So a bunch of different options for it on here, but just find a place for it on your screen, press it, return to the home screen. I like it. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more checkout videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.